This box style picture frame is made from 5/8 or 3/4 MDF. It is 7.5 inches wide, mitered in the corners, has a light underneath this part here shining down, and this piece of wood here hides the glare of the Puk light. When I sourced the material, they only had 1x6 and 1.5 material. So I joined the two parts together to make it 7.5 inches wide to accommodate the light here under there and the light, the Puk light, glued to the back of the double glass. This gives the light enough area to be reflected off the back white core board. The front glass panel slides out by holding on to this mitered part here, and it will slide out in the grooves. The picture is laminated between two panes of glass, and it also slides out to the bottom, and the back core board slides up and out to facilitate changing the batteries and the Puk lights. The picture is sandwiched between the two panes of glass in the center. You can slide the glass out and change the picture and slide it back in. On the bottom we have two stop blocks here that prevents all the glass and the back unit from sliding out. The Puk light on the front here is white and shines down and highlights the picture from the front. The backlight, which is glued to the double pane of glass behind the picture, has many colors. As you can see, there's lots of combinations, and it will fade out, and the backlight placed behind the picture shines on the back of the double glass and is reflected from the core board. When you run the grooves on the table saw for the glass panel and the center glass panels, and the back core board. You have to make it very slack to make them slide easily.